So back again with another video, man. And today I'm just pretty much gonna do maintenance on the 240. Just gonna do a little quick oil change, man. Today feel good again. They say it's supposed to rain, but you know, for those who live in Texas, man, weather be tripping. Bipolar, man. It may say it's gonna rain and don't rain at all. It really just had like a little sprinkle. And that was it. As I was gonna go get the oil. But yeah, pretty much just gonna do a quick oil change, man. Check all the fluids. You know what I'm saying? Just a quick maintenance, since I haven't changed the oil since I got it running. So I'm gonna get the car. I got the oil out, as y'all can see. Got the oil filter right there. So I'm just gonna get my jack out, jack the car up, and just get it ready. And I'll see y'all when I got the car jacked up. I just got the car jacked up. About to slide a wheel. Probably take this wheel off and slide it under the car, just in case, you know what I'm saying, because I ain't got no jack stands right now. So yeah, you know what I'm saying, just gonna take the oil pan nut off. Well, y'all don't know, just right here, you know what I'm saying, and oil is gonna drain out of that. And then the filter is right there. It's that blue filter right there, but I can probably get it from the top. You know what I'm saying? Slide that little bucket right here and let the oil drain. So I'll see y'all when I'm doing that.
I can see it. Is that stuff coming out? Oh no, that's just a pole.
Y'all can see that dripping out, huh?
Oh, it is the stuff.
It's the oil.
That's what I was thinking.
I'm gonna take the cap off so it releases pressure.
Give me the key, babe.
Alright guys, so the oil is dripping like real slow. So I guess that's how you know it's, you know what I'm saying, done dripping out. It's okay to leave a little bit in there. If it's dripping like that, that's fine. I got the old filter out. Gonna put the new filter back on, but first I'm gonna put the oil pan nut back on. This is a 14, by the way. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and put that back on and put the oil filter back on. Before you put the oil filter back on, you wanna lube up this ring right here, this black ring. Some people put a little bit of oil in it. That's cool to do too, but sometimes I don't really do it. I just lube this up real quick, real good, you know what I'm saying, and put it back in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick, and I'm gonna get back at y'all. All right, y'all got everything buttoned up. Just letting the car run so the oil can circulate. Nigga done spilled some oil right here, man. And all over the damn header, but that shit'll burn off. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it run, man, and I don't see no leaks or nothing like that, so I'm just gonna let it run, and that'll be it for the day, man, you know what I'm saying? What's good, YouTube? This is the next day. You dig what I'm saying? Be over here at work. Slow day again at work, so I think we finna roll Rand's Fenders real quick. Damn. Yeah, we finna roll Rand's Fenders. He already rolled them yesterday, but he didn't have a heat gun. Here, let me show y'all real quick. He rolled them a little bit, but once you get that heat on there, it'll come out a little bit more. That boy did get some new wheels though. I'm gonna let him tell y'all about the wheels he got, but yeah, right now we just gonna roll up, put this heat gun real quick. Shit already come out hot. So just gonna go back and forth with it until it's ready.
It's gonna be clean, but shit. It's gonna be coughing. Water, 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 water. Fuck it, go
This shit
burn up.
smoking. That nigga barbecuing his shit.
Gonna need some ointment.
Disappointed for real, goddamn, man. What's burning under that bitch? Just the bullshit that be flying up in there? Burning the bullshit out your car.
The pussy won't be loose.
Baby, what going on?
Damn, girl, look at that nigga ain't that big. Ain't me feeling no more water lately. Man, look what you the hell, nigga. What the hell, man?
You ain't got no mullet? A mallet?
Yeah,
Said a
I got a
mullet.
hammer with
There's
you.
a hammer behind you.
Oh, yeah, this one.
No.
Not this one? The actual one.
Use the pole and shit.
Just go back and forth. I'm gonna go back and forth on that shit. I don't give a fuck about the paint because I'm standing over here too.
Catch this whole shit on
Nigga,
fire.
so finna be back.
Burning paint off this shit, literally.
Yeah, you see out there bubbling? Oh shit.
Shit hot.
Yeah.
You about to have a cigarette for a hand.
Yeah, let's see.
Nigga paint bubbling for real. Trying to roll his finger all the way up. God damn.
He got body damage, so
He said
I really don't
already.
care about the paint.
He said
Got the hell damage already.
you're gonna go fuck. Nigga about to send it.
See the Bondo chips are already coming.
Let me see. Thick ass Bondo shit, bro.
Nigga, that dollar sign.
Man, that's fucking thick. Starting to think your whole car made out of Bondo, man.
I'll be the new sponsor for Bondo.
You want the shapes and curves?
Look it. Fine. Fuck a Camaro on that bitch. Put an LS on the motherfucker. Motherfucker. You know they got the Bondo. They got the LS on the jump. Whole move.
I'm about to turn into liquid, man. I'm almost at 200 subscribers.
300?
200. I need y'all to hit that subscribe button. That shit crazy. But back real quick. I want to say something though. So, I know a few videos back I set a goal to reach 200 subscribers, right? As you all know, I ain't reached it. I ain't reached 200. I'm real close. I'm like at 176. You feel me? So I'm real close, man. So I had an idea. I plan on making a video, like a little skit, you know, towards me not reaching 200 subscribers. It's gonna be kind of like a little motivational, you know what I'm saying, skit or whatever, because I didn't reach my goal. But who texted me? You know what I'm saying? I didn't reach my goal, but that don't mean I'm gonna quit and stop YouTube. You feel me? So yeah, man, I just wanted to let y'all know that, so be on the lookout for that one. And pretty much they're just gonna finish his body work. He rode the fenders. There's a bunch of Bondo on his shit, so he's just chipping that off. I'll probably do mines too. If I do, I'll start recording again, but if I don't, then that's gonna be the end of this video, you know what I'm saying? But y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Let's get to 200, you know what I mean? I'm still on it. I still want to reach that goal, man. I didn't reach it in the time frame I wanted to, but that don't mean I don't want to reach it anymore. I still want to reach 200. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Let me get in there.
Huh?
Let me get in there.
For what?
Let's do it.
Once you mess up, you ain't gonna be able to get it. You gonna get tired. You ain't gonna get You gonna get tired.
Yeah.
Nah, bro.
That's the whole point of it, man.